All right, guys, this 73 Trans Am, this is a full Pro Touring build, full DSE suspension. This is a customer's car that we have in here. It's actually been on the Bandit Run now twice. We updated the fuel system, fuel tank, all new shocks from Detroit Speed. They're adjustable coilovers and everything on it that they have now, their performance ones. This has got an LT4 motor in it, vintage air system. It's got the DSE's front subframe, rack and pinion steering, mini tubbed car with the 12-inch wide wheels underneath the rear, and I believe they're 10-inch in the front wide. This car, currently right now, the customer that owns it is possibly going to be moving, and so there is a chance this car will be for sale. So if for some reason you're looking for a Pro Touring build 73 Buccaneer red car, this is a super fun, outstanding car. I've driven it multiple times, raced against it multiple times, and it is a killer car. He is moving overseas, and so if he doesn't keep it stored here somewhere in the States, then it's going to be up for sale. But just so you guys know, and we are also finishing up a couple other cars right now. This actually, we've got two LS3 525 motor cars, 77 Trans Am, 78 Trans Am. This is an in-house shop car that is available for sale. Mini tub, ride tech suspension all the way around. It's got the 12-inch wide wheels underneath the rear. It's got Alnox leather, stock-looking interior. Everything has been done. Nut and bolt, frame off, Hurst T-tops, a true 77 special edition car on the PHS. When this car came in, it did not have the original motor, and the motor that was in it was bad. So we decided to take it down the path of actually rebuilding it. It's about 95% there. We just test fit the shaker and stuff this morning on both of these cars and have it ready to go down to get aligned, tune, and dyno. The car next to it with the other 525, this is a customer's car out of North Dakota. This was one that it came in as a really nice restored car, but he wanted to update all the drivetrain components, suspension, brakes, you name it. So we actually put an LS3 in it. It's got an overdrive tranny in it as well, and it's not mini tub, but it's got our updated 18 by 9 and 18 by 10 snowflake wheels on it. But Jason's finishing up some of the interior components. It's got all leather seats in it as well. We'll have it available to see. We'll do full photo shoots and videos on both of these cars when they're done, so you can check them out. And obviously we are available to help build a car for you like this at any point in time or similar. So this is a customer's car. His name's John. He's from the East Coast. We've been doing a complete nut and bolt on this car. He really liked one of our Brewster Green Pro Touring builds, so we are taking his Firebird and doing the exact same thing. So it's already, you know, all the major body work's done. 4-link ride tech system. A 525 LS3 in it, vintage air. Brewster Green car. We're currently building the custom rally wheels, so they'll be 18-inch wheels. Will be identical to the wheels that are on our black 73 right behind it. So this black 73 is pretty much done. We're updating the decal on the hood right now. So the one we had on there we really liked, but there was a couple things we didn't like about it, so we took it off, and Ryan did a full polish on it this last week. I was planning on taking this to the Nationals, but because of the hood bird and a couple other little things, we ended up just working with parts and didn't take a car to the Nationals. But this car is done in a dipped in red leather interior. All looks stock, but it's all red with a red suede headliner, flush mount glass. This car has the 427 in it. It's basically stroked LS3 from Blueprint Engines in this car. Our updated Holley intake setup so that we can run the shaker and actually pull the air from the back side of the shaker on the car. 6-speed manual transmission, vintage air car. This car is available for sale. We're gonna it goes down to get alignment, dyno, and tune here as soon as we can get an open spot with the tuner, and then we'll have it super close to being ready to probably go to some shows, be available for somebody that's interested. This 70 Trans Am just came in recently, actually right before I was leaving for the Trans Am Nationals. This is a car that I've talked with the owner that we got this car from. Has had this car for 50 years. His dad actually owned a Pontiac dealership out of Wisconsin. This was a car that they bought back from a client that had got it new. It's got 32,000 original miles on it. 4-speed car, blue deluxe interior, all original panels, very clean, solid. Everything we can tell, it's a rust-free car. So we've been just doing some power washing on the undercarriage, engine compartment, detailing, buffing. It's got the original JW wheels and the JW spare in the trunk. Just a really neat car. It's got the chrome rings on the factory dash bezel. It's a non-AC 4-speed car, no console, but pretty cool. We like Chevy products too, and we have several Chevys in the shop right now. 64 Impala up on the lift, full roadster shop chassis, full tubs. It's going to be over 1,000 horsepower Chevy big block motor in that car. There's a lot of details we'll talk about here in the future, but that car, we've touched base on it in the past. We're now prepping it for paint. So it had a full certified roll cage, welded and put in it by a shop down the road from us. All that's been scanned, certified, and so now it's back here basically getting some of the final necessary body work, especially after the cage was put in it, so we can get it all sealed up and get it ready to start shooting some color on it. And it's going to be a really pretty blue when it's done. Right behind it is customer's 79 Trans Am. It's his high school car. His name's Jim. He's from the East Coast. He's owned this car, I think, since new, or pretty much new, but we've been doing all the metal work and stuff to it, getting it ready for, I think we had to put a quarter on one side, fix a few other things. We still got to finish up a few things, and then basically getting it into final primer so we can get it blocked and then get it ready for paint. But it's getting a complete nut and bolt restoration, and will be a super nice car when it's done. This 69 Chevelle, we're gonna have to put some quarters on it. This car had been in storage, I wanna say, for over 30 years, I think the owner said. It's from here in Nebraska. The gentleman that owns this car, his dad had originally acquired it from a younger kid that I think lost his license when he was driving it. It's a big block, 4-speed car. The original motor is out. It's been rebuilt, checked over, and is coming back here, I'm thinking either tomorrow or the first of next week. Basically, so we're getting the drivetrain done while the body work is getting done, or the metal work right now. And it's a blue car. I think it was a black interior. Very nice, fun car. It's one of my favorite body styles for a Chevelle, an SS car. So do you guys remember the Typhoon that we got in and the Cyclone here? Just, it's been a few months ago, or maybe this spring. So this Typhoon, we ended up painting it, redoing the ground effects, decals, refinished the wheels, new tires. It's got really nice interior. This is a one-owner vehicle along with the Cyclone, both one owners in very good shape. The same owner kind of daily drove this one, but he bought it new and had it ever since, and is just going through some change in his life, moving around. So we acquired this vehicle from him. It actually runs and drives great. We found a factory correct stereo for it. It's Wags rebuilt it for us. It's gonna go back in the dash. We'll get the interior cleaned up and keep moving forward on it. And it will be for sale here pretty soon. If we don't put it on Bring a Trailer, it'll at least be on our website for sale before that. So this New Yorker is obviously something that we would normally not have in the shop, but a really, really good friend of the shop and of mine, Dwight, actually found this car on the internet, purchased it, and had it shipped to us. We've been checking everything over. So Josh was basically fixing some of the brake issues. We're having to rebuild the water pump. We kind of went through all the fluids, checking all the lights, all the basic mechanicals and stuff, so that Dwight can actually drive and enjoy this car. This car's got some incredible lines on it. 56 Chrysler New Yorker, really cool car, an extremely cool color combination. We actually put some new white wall tires on it that Scott got installed. We actually picked those up locally here from Speedway Motors. They had them in stock. Just a really neat car. And so it's super close. We just got to finish the water pump rebuild and then have it ready to for Dwight to pick it up and enjoy. So on the lifts here to the right, just real quick, 77 Special Edition, 4-speed, T-top, AC, black deluxe cloth interior. I think it's 50-some thousand original mile car. Came from the East Coast. Very nice, very clean, runs and drives good. We're just updating some brakes, fixing a few things on it. We put new exhaust on it. We'll finish doing a detail on it and then have it available for sale here, if not this week, first of next week. This IROC was a local car. It came from H&H Omaha. A good friend of mine, Mike, out of Omaha, the La Vista area, he basically found this car, purchased it. It is a 5-speed manual car, and they're hard to find in a manual. But he's been searching for years. We were searching for him as well. Ultimately, Josh and Scott were basically putting a motor in it. His motor, oil pump went out, motor seized up. So we got a good new rebuilt crate motor ready to go from Jegs. Super close to, it looks like he's getting ready to put fluid in it, belts, getting the cooling system and stuff dialed in. So I'm hoping to have it running here, maybe even tomorrow if things go well. Otherwise, for sure, by the first of the week. This 76 Trans Am came in from the Ohio area. The customer acquired this car, contacted us, had a list of things he wanted to get fixed. He wanted to be able to drive it, enjoy it, and not have to worry about issues. So we just got done fixing the seats on the interior, put some new seat covers on it. We're doing all new brakes, all new suspension, some different wheels and tires, and just updating some of the cosmetics and stuff on this car, and then a full tune-up. And I think we're even considering putting fuel injection throttle body on the car as well. We have Chris's 73 Trans Am here. Obviously you're going to say it's not a Trans Am, it's got a Formula hood. Well, he likes the Formula hood like us all, we all do. So we put the Formula hood on it. It's got our custom grates on it. We actually changed out the front bumper to put 72 honeycomb grills in the hood intake ports or scoops. It's got our custom billet 3-piece honeycomb wheels on this car. We did Alnox all white deluxe leather interior. Basically, we're down to a couple little pieces that we had to get ordered for it. They came in. We're just getting it back in the lineup so we can get those parts put back in the car. We can finish up the interior and then get this car down to get tuned and any last minute stuff on it. And then we already did a Formula for Chris in the past, a 78 blue one. That was a super pretty car. As soon as we're done with this, I'm hoping that Chris is gonna take some time to fly out here, check out this car, and make sure everything's up to par for him before we ship it to the coast. So here we have a black Grand Am, 1973 Pontiac Grand Am. This car's been here for a while, off and on. We are finally down to getting the Kaufman's motor back in it, running. Everything is great on the car. We're just trying to fine tune the air conditioning on the car. The evaporator core is having some issues, so we're gonna fix that and then do a final detail, check everything else over, and then hopefully we can get this car shipped out to the coast and stuff as well for him. Absolutely beautiful car. Over here we got a 10th anniversary 4-speed car. We just did a refresh on the interior, full detail. This car runs and drives out great. It's going to be available for sale here very soon. We're just doing a few more little updates and stuff on it, and then she'll be ready to go. We recently finished up Darren's car from Nevada. His buddy Matt got a gold Y88 car from us, and it's finished up as well. We're going to touch base on it here in a second, but on Darren's car, this is a 404-speed 79 Special Edition, black deluxe interior. We redid the body and paint, decals, just basically some mechanical work on getting it tuned up and ready to go. We have just a couple small little things to do, and it's gonna ship out here within the next week to head out to Nevada. Darren and his wife actually drove all the way here from Nevada. The enclosed trailer they brought, they had rented it, and they had a little mishap with the roof along the way, and so they ended up not taking the cars with. But while they were here, they really enjoyed their visit here at the shop, getting to see everything we have going on, and especially loved their new car that's coming home. And they're planning on joining us on the Bandit Run here over the next couple of years, and especially for the anniversary event coming up for the 50th celebration of the Smokey and the Bandit movie. So Matt's car, 78 gold Y88 Special Edition Trans Am. This is a first year and a last year, 1 year only, basically all gold Special Edition Trans Am. It was the first introduction to the Fisher T-tops. They're actually a special gold T-top for these cars. This is a 404-speed, air-conditioned, tan deluxe cloth interior car. It's got 60,000 original miles. I would say 90% of the paint on this car is all original. We put new legendary seat covers in it, new carpet to just freshen up the interior, and a new headliner, I believe. We refinished his factory wheels, put new tires on it, upgraded his headlights to the new Holley headlights, and double checked all the brakes. I think we put a heater core in it, did any other simple things that needed to be done just to get this car mechanically sound and stuff. Matt flew in here and actually drove the car here a few weeks ago, got to check it out, look everything over, gave us a thumbs up. I think we did a couple little things on it for him that he wanted before Darren was going to come to pick it up. Since that didn't work out for Darren's trailer, then it's going to go with a transport that we work with on a regular basis, and he's going to haul them both out to them in Reno, Nevada, and get them dropped off. So check out the great pictures and video of this car as well. So we're also going to shoot, we also have a separate video that will be posted of Matt coming to see his car, and we're going to get to hear Matt's story on how he used to have one of these when he was a 16-year-old kid back in high school days. Jay's car's been one of my favorite. They all become a favorite once they're done, and Jay's car's turned out pretty cool, not only because it's got the all-aluminum Pontiac block in it from Butler Performance, but this was his high school car, and he kept track of the owner that he had sold it to and was able to buy it back, but it came back to us before it even came to Jay. We did a frame-off restoration on it, and then he just came here and got to take it for a ride with us and actually get to enjoy his car after 20 some years of not seeing his high school car. Hardtop, 79, 400 4-speed car, black deluxe cloth interior. It's got a 5-speed Tremec in it now. It's got the built Pontiac, all aluminum Pontiac block from Butler Performance. It's got fuel injection on it from Holley, the updated Holley headlights. We did a nut and bolt frame off ground up restoration on this car, but we left, I would say 90% of that interior is all original other than like a headliner and some simple stuff. But absolutely gorgeous interior. Just a super pretty, fun, straightforward car. This car's done, and we just did a full video with Jay getting to see his car for the first time and comment on some of the history surrounding the car and its background and his time basically in the hobby, and getting to relive this car again. So check it out on another one of our YouTube shows. This is now wrapped up and hopefully be in his garage here pretty soon. This is a 383 Shaker car. This is a customer's car out of Nebraska, up out of Columbus. It's a beautiful car, manual. It's basically came in for getting kind of cleaned up, checked over, fluids changed, adjust the clutch, tune the carburetor, just making sure the car runs and drives good because it's been sitting in storage for years, and he just wanted to get it so that him and his wife can enjoy it again. Getting super close with this car too, just trying to squeeze it in between projects. So check out some more details, some more walk around close-ups that Dylan's going to get for you. Check out our website. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and tag us. If you subscribe to our email list on the website, you'll get notified for new parts, sales, and obviously any new inventory that shows up. Don't hesitate to reach out and tell us what you're looking for, especially if it's cars, parts, or anything in between that we can help out with, because a lot of stuff happens that's behind the scenes that never even makes it to social media, but we're here to help. Thanks, guys.